Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the second week of November. So I hope you're all fine, enjoying yourself, and a very happy Diwali to all of you. Okay, let's get you one card from this Energy Oracle deck, and we are ready to get your cards on the table. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates. Don't try to fit yourself in any situation, okay? All right. This is for the sun, moon, rising sign of Aquarius. Always watch your sun, moon, rising sign videos to get a more clearer and complete picture about the energies playing out for you. Thank you for all your love and support that you've shown the channel. Thank you so much. I'm truly grateful to each and every one of you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet, and share it on your social media to bring my channel to more people. Thank you in advance. I'll be happy to do your personal reading. In case you're interested, you'll find my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find a link to my personal website. I welcome you there, and you'll also find my links to my social media there, okay? Do join me and let me know what you feel about my website. I would love to hear from you. You already have 2 flyers. We need one more card, and oh, you've got 3 cards. All right, fine. So, Aquarius, second week of November reading for you. And you've drawn full moon in Virgo. Okay, you are good enough. Now, Aquarius, you've been finding yourself in a very low self-esteem area, a low self-worth energy for a while now, okay? Things have not been the way they should be for you in a lot of areas. For some, it is about finances, jobs. For some, it is about your relationships, family ships. It's about your mental capacity. It is about depression. You know, you found yourself in this area. And you've been trying your best, and it is working. Let me tell you, the first message I get is it is working. Your hard work has been appreciated. You are persistent. You're doing what you can, and that is highly appreciated by the universe. And that is why you've drawn a card that the divine and the universe is trying to tell you that, my dear child, you are good enough. In the eyes of the universe, in the eyes of the divine, you matter, and your well-being matters. Your efforts have been acknowledged, and you will be rewarded for that. Everything is in the hands of the divine and the divine timing. We would like it yesterday, but things take their own sweet time to come at the right time, okay? So you hang in there, Aquarius. Trust me, hang in there. Things will change for the better for you. You are good enough. Listen to affirmations. I am affirmations, which will help you a lot. Listen to them every day just before you sleep, because your subconscious mind picks up those affirmations and keeps playing it for the whole night. So it's a very important for you right now to listen to positive, uplifting affirmations that you are good enough, okay? Let's see what cards have to say. Come to the edge. Oh, beautiful. Now, this is that you need to take a leap of faith. Now, where do you need to take this leap of faith? This is the faith that you have in the divine, the faith that you have in God, the faith that you have in yourself, okay? And trust yourself to make those decisions. Trust yourself to choose a path for you that works out for you. Don't listen to anybody who is giving you any advice at this moment, because they are coming from a good place. But what is important for you, you need to make that decision for yourself. Excuse me. For the highest good of yourself. For your highest good. And for that, you just need to take some risks. Now, risks we are, when we are in this low energy, when we are feeling having this low self esteem, we avoid taking risks. But you are being called to take a risk because it will pay off. It will pay off, Aquarius. Excuse me. It will definitely pay off. Okay, and there may be a lot of naysayers, there may be a lot of people worrying for you and passing on that worrying energy to you. You just need to ground yourself, trust in yourself, understand that the divine is telling you you are good enough, and then take that leap of faith into a new job, into a new opportunity that you will find soon. Okay, beautiful. You've drawn Archangel Michael card. This is about the first chakra, the root chakra. The root chakra is all about our fears of survival, our security, our stability. That is the energy that needs to be worked on. So here I have another tip for you. Listen to my I have made a video on chanting of the seed mantra for the root chakra. Listen to that every day for at least 21 days for your chakra to become balanced, and then you'll come out of this worrying for your stability and security energy and start believing in yourself to bring about the changes that you need. Okay, yes, you've been in this Two of Swords energy, not knowing which one to choose, and sword energy is all about mental energy, okay, in your mind. So this is about thinking and overthinking, worrying, feeling anxious, and that is because you are not sure what to do and you've closed your heart. This is the time to open your heart and trust yourself. Understand that the divine loves you. You are the divine's chosen ones for making this, and the divine is telling you you are good enough. So let those swords go, remove your blindfold and make that choice. Take that opportunity which seems a bit risky at this moment, but trust and jump into it. Okay, beautiful. You will be guided. You've drawn the High Priestess card. This is about your inner knowing. This is about intuition. This is about believing in the connection that you have with the divine. The High Priestess is directly connected with the source, with the divine, as well as she conveys the divine's messages to the people on this earth. Now this energy coming out to you right under this "you are good enough" is the divine telling you once more, reiterating that you are good enough. Believe in yourself. Have faith in yourself, Aquarius. That is where your stability and security is unbalanced right now. You need to believe and start believing in yourself and start taking actions towards what is drawing your attention, what opportunities are coming to you. Don't stay stuck in this Two of Swords energy. Can you see this? The cards never lie. You got this celebration card in your earlier reading also. This is a small celebration that you will soon be having when you have faith in yourself, when you have faith in the divine, and when you have faith in your destiny and your fate. This is the celebration. You have a lot of cause for celebration very soon. You just need to hang in there and work on yourself. Do your inner work. Release those fears. Let go of all your concerns to the divine and surrender them to the divine, and surrender yourself to the divine, and the divine will guide you towards this new opportunity that you need to take to bring in celebration and happiness into your life. Aquarius, I pray that these energies work out in your life soon and that you regain your faith in yourself. Okay, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Namaste.